Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's today July the 1st, Canada Day. And I just went to work this morning at 5 a.m. and now we're just heading towards some events for the Canada Day that's happening in the downtown. So yeah, so there'll be some free programs, I hope so. I don't know what kind, but yeah, there's something going on there, so we're gonna know about it once we go there. So yeah, and there's some fireworks happening tonight, like around, I guess, after 10. So it's in the dawn, of course, so there's sun until like 9:30ish, so you don't get dark until like after 10. So yeah, that's pretty much about today. So it's already 2:45 in the afternoon. So there's my brother and the sister. So yeah, we're just heading towards the program. Yeah, see you guys over there. So yeah, we're in the streets and it's pretty quiet here today. So everyone's out of the town, maybe going some camping or something like that, or everyone's in the event. And there are no buses today, it's public holiday. So no groceries, nothing, the stores are closed. Everything's closed, almost everything. And it's pretty quiet in the streets. It looks like a ghost town. So yeah, I'll just show you around. Yeah, you can see.
Hello guys.
So yeah, it's pretty quiet. It's a bus terminal here, so there are no buses here. So it's pretty quiet. So
I think we
see,
can go.
maybe we're just gonna go because there's nothing. There's no one. Like you don't see even the person here walking by. So yeah, just a few cars, and you can see how peaceful it is today. Peaceful and quiet. And it's sunny out there. It was quite windy yesterday, but today it turns out to be a good day. So yeah, good day to be out with your friends and family. Enjoy the Canada Day. So yeah, so we're just heading towards the event. It's in the Robert Bonder Park, which is just in the downtown, beside the Riverside. So yeah, so I'll just show you guys the events happening around and show you the fireworks tonight. So I'll try filming almost everything as much as I could. So yeah, you can see the empty streets. So yeah, and there's a station mall right there. It's a pretty small mall because it's a small city, so there are not much stores over there. But yeah, you can find something at least. There's a food court, you can have some food, or just some places to shop, H&M's, Sport Check, and everything. So, and this is one part of the downtown. So we're just walking towards the park where the event's happening, and yeah. So yeah, it looks like a Nepal Banda. It's like my Nepali friends would know. Yeah, so it looks pretty much like that. There's no one. It's like a strike. It's a Nepal Banda, that's like strike. So during strikes, so yeah. Just gonna cross the road. There's a red light there, so yeah. Yeah, there's my sister, brother. So we're just walking. Yeah, you can see around. There's nothing to show much here. So yeah, I'll continue the video and show you around. So yeah. So yeah, you can see lots of cars parked around here. So the park's nearby where the event's happening. So yeah, you can see a lot of cars parked because there might be a lot of people in there enjoying the event. So yeah, there is two buildings here. There's some subway, everything, and the red building right there, that's OLG, the main office of the OLG, Ontario Lottery Gaming and Corporation. And that's my workplace, my new work. So that's my office. So yeah, and there's a Delta Hotel right there, and you can see the International Breeze at the far end right there. So yeah, that's the bridge, International Breeze to USA. That's, I guess, I don't know how long, but yeah, it's pretty long. So you have to be a Canadian citizen to be there, or you need to have a visa to cross the bridge. So yeah, I've heard some, like the people here, the natives, so they go to the Walmart and the stores right at the other side. That's because it's, I guess it's cheaper to be, as far as I have heard, it's cheaper there, a little cheaper, and people prefer to shop there. Sometimes they go groceries or something like that and get some, I know, different kind of foods, because I've heard there are different stores in Canada. So yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, and there's Algoma Steel right there. So that's like a steel plant, I guess. That's like one of the biggest industry in the Sault Ste. Marie area in the Algoma region, Algoma district. So yeah, that's so yeah, and that has helped in building the economy of the Sault Ste. Marie area, because there are a lot of workers working there, and it's one of the biggest industry. So I'm just jaywalking here. Sorry, it's pretty open today because there are no cars, and yeah, I just crossed the road from the middle of nowhere. You can see my brother and sister right there, and I crossed the road. I prefer not to jaywalking, but today it's pretty like empty. The streets are empty, so yeah. Sometimes it's okay. Sorry, but yeah. Yeah, as you can see, the parking lot, it's pretty packed up, and a lot of cars right there, and right there is the park. What do you call that? I'm sorry, I'm not sure what you call that, but yeah. So you can see people walking by, and yeah, there's some circus happening, I guess. I don't know, some magic shows. So yeah, a lot of events going on. So the OLG building is right there. So yeah, it's been like about a month now I've been working there, so I'm still in training. So yeah, it's a pretty good company to work in Ontario. I'm happy to be there. Like after 2.5 years of being here, I finally got a pretty good job, I would say. I used to work in KFC, and I still work in Tim Hortons still, just in weekends, because I'm on my study break right now throughout the summer. So yeah, so you can see pretty amazing view out there, the St. Mary's River, and so you can see a lot of people walking by with the dogs, people cycling, a lot of engagement happening here. See, there's some events going on. I'm just waiting for my sister and brothers. They're coming right there, so I'm just gonna wait for them, then I'll continue the video. See, you can see a lot of people engagement over here. A lot of people here like enjoying the Canada Day and the events happening here. And to be honest, it's my first time being out on Canada Day. Last 2 summers I only worked. I still work two jobs, KFC and Tim Hortons. So yeah, but this year I work in the morning, but I'm free in the evening, so I can enjoy the events here. And I'm gonna look after the fireworks. So yeah, finally I get to see fireworks in Canada live. I saw videos, but I've never been here because I used to be home late, like around 11ish, working always. But this time, yeah, I get to see the fireworks and the events here. So I'm pretty happy. Finally, after 2.5 years to being in Canada. So yeah, so my sister met some friends. She's talking with them. So I'll just show you inside the event happening here. Lots of kids, people of different age enjoying. What's going on here? Maybe some kind of concert. I don't know. Performance. I won't talk much.
But I need everybody's help for this. So what I want you all to do is hold your hand out like this. Perfect. And when I say go, I want you all to say you're doing great.
So yeah, you can see the magic show happening there.
Okay, let's see if Tessa's still in one piece. She's in one piece. Everybody, let's give Tessa a big round of applause. Okay, Tessa, thank you for helping me. I would love to give you a very special magic trick too. You can have a magic coloring book, and this is also a magic kit with 3 magic tricks inside, and that's for you too, Tessa. You're amazing, everybody. Let's give Tessa a big round of applause.
You can see people getting face paints, especially the kids. They love getting face paints. And there's tattoos. So yeah, you can see stalls here. They're selling some bracelets. A lot of stuff. So yeah. I'll just show you around, guys. This is the St. Mary's River, so you can see a boat coming by. You can see a lot of boats right there. So at the other end over there, that's USA. So yeah, you can see US is right over there, but you can't go there because we don't have a visa. We need a visa to be there. So yeah, you can see the boats coming by. People are enjoying the ride. And this is the St. Mary's River. And that's the international bridge right there. So yeah, people are enjoying outside. So yeah, it's a pretty good weather out today. It's sunny and it's not that hot and it's a little windy, so that balances up everything. So yeah, the weather's pretty warm. You can see people sitting by, enjoying. Yeah, I guess this is pretty much everything here because I don't see anything else much. So the real fun's gonna happen tonight. The fireworks, of course. So that'll be amazing thing to experience, I guess. It'll be fun. So yeah, I'll just show you guys, film the events happening around. You can see it, guys.
Why don't we, so you said the eyes moved, was that right? Okay, alright, so on the count of 3, you will say fantastic, throw your magic at this. Have you been waving the magic wand? Give the magic wand away, Jacob? No, nothing. Alright, so let's do this.
So yeah, you can see stalls here for the flags of Canada. You can just grab one. It's free. So yeah, it's Canada Day, so they're distributing the flags for everyone. There's some badges right here. So yeah, see, you can see people carrying flags. Yeah, I have a flag right here. I got a badge. And I got a little Canada flag right here on my t-shirt. So yeah, it's pretty amazing to experience this. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. It's pretty amazing to experience this like, after 2.5 years, seeing everything. So yeah, what? Oh yeah. So there's some kind of concert. Oh yeah, it's in Toronto, I guess. So yeah, okay. Happy Canada Day, guys. So yeah, we've been around here. We saw some events and everything. So we're just gonna roam around now. So there's Poutine Fest happening around just across the road. So we're just gonna go there and see what's there. So yeah, that's pretty much about. So you can see. And there's I don't know what's that called, but yeah, that's something. So yeah, you can see them, my brother and sisters. So I have the Canada flag and everything in my pocket. Yeah, it's like people are doing this, so I just wanted to do it as well, right? To enjoy the culture. Yeah, it's pretty amazing to see everything. Here to experience this. Yeah, so we're just heading towards like across the street to check out the Poutine Fest. So maybe we're gonna have some poutine. I don't know. I just had my lunch, so I'm not that hungry. So there's a good lemonade place there on the Poutine Fest because I was on my lunch one day. And it was a Poutine Fest, first year Poutine Fest that day. So I just went there and had the lemonade. It was so perfect. So yeah, maybe we'll get that because it's pretty hot. And you can see the OLG on the background. Yeah. I have to be here tomorrow at 7:45 a.m. in the morning. Yeah. So you can see people walking by. Here it was pretty quiet back there, but here you can see lots of people. They're enjoying. Yeah. So there's nothing much to say. So I just will show you around what's happening and keep updating you if I have something to say. So yeah, until then, enjoy, guys. So yeah, you can see the Poutine Fest going on over here, and there's a Tim Hortons nearby. So yeah, so you can have like different kind of poutines you get. It's one of the popular dishes in Canada. The poutine, it's like fries and there's some gravy and lots of other toppings you can have. So yeah, see there are people enjoying it. You can see some stalls here with the bags, and those are the stalls for poutines. Guys, so yeah. See lots of people. You can see the kids enjoying there, and there used to be a artificial, what is it, like snow. What do you call that? Oh, sorry, ice skating section over here in the winter, like a fake one, but they removed it after the summer started. So right here, but now right now the kids are enjoying there, playing with water. So yeah, we're gonna play this. So you just have to throw the your respective colored bag in the hole right there. So yeah, if you can see the brother playing. So yeah. Didi video is mirror is in actually. London. Here nahi the video.
So now they are going to play that game. Oh, so they are going to challenge each other. Let's see who will win. Oh no. Oh yes. Oh yes. No. No. So 1-1. No. No. Whoa. Good job.
So yeah, to get rid of the heat wave, my brother, he wanted to be in the water, get wet in the water. Look at the kid. It just the water just got off. Just turned off. She's quite bite tiny I know like. Ai uta hera ta. Ai त्यो छेउमा जानु पर्दो रहेछ भाइ त्यहाँसम्म. Look at this, the water. मजा आयो भाइ. You can see the kids right there enjoying the water. Look at the small kid right there. They're enjoying it. जाऊ भाइ फेरि भिज जाऊ जाऊ. Oh yeah. मजा आयो भाइ. Did you have fun, brother?
Yeah, it was fun though.
Just to get wet. Sister, she's also vlogging right there. What's your YouTube channel, sister?
RLM Vlogs.
It's RLM Vlogs. Go look out at YouTube and please subscribe her. Okay. Shout out to her channel. Hey. Yeah, so we're heading to get a lemonade. Miss Ali's lemonade, I guess. It's pretty good. I loved it. Last time I got it. See, Miss Ali's lemonade. Hi. Can I get like 2 more of these? The blueberry raspberry lemonade with boba. Huh? Okay. Yeah, he's gonna pay.
Credit only?
Credit. Sure, yeah, thank you. So yeah, I got my lemonade here, right here. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. Oh, they have a small, I don't see the, oh yeah, it's right there. There's like a big piece of lemon inside. So, I don't know why, but yeah. But it tastes pretty good.
Oh, thank you. Come on. Cheers. 1, 2, 3, go.
Cheers.
feels like a long lost friend. Yes, and hey, it's good to be back home again.
So guys, yeah, so we just roamed around and yeah, so here's my friend Gagan.
Namaste, Balin sir.
He just came
Balin
from
sir.
work. So so yeah, they're your friends Ina's sister and Subek's sister. So yeah, they're here as well with us. So yeah, so we're just gonna get around and get around with them and look after the Poutine Fest. And we looked after the event of the Canada Day right there, under that big umbrella. So yeah, so Gagan sir.
Hello sir, how are you? How are you guys? We are just chilling over here. I just came from my work, so we are just celebrating Canada Day. Happy Canada Day to everyone.
Happy Canada Day, guys. So yeah.
Happy Canada Day!
Stay with us guys, stay with us.
Stay with
We'll
us.
show you so many things in Canada. And don't
Yeah.
forget to subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. So, and we're gonna watch the fireworks together tonight. Okay. Stay with us. So yeah. So yeah, so we're heading back home now. So it's 4 more hours until the fireworks. So we're just gonna head out home and make some dinner, and then we'll return back at around 9 o'clock, 9:30ish, to look out for fireworks. So yeah, until then, stay tuned, guys. So hey guys, so we're heading back to the downtown, the Riverside, to view the fireworks. So it's around 9:40 now. So you can still see the daylight here. So still there's some time left. So we're just heading now. So here my friend, brother. Hey guys.
Hello.
Hello. Namaste. And the sister's coming back. She's vlogging as well. So yeah. So we're gonna go see the fireworks now. So I'll film the video for the fireworks and have it for you guys as well. So yeah, it's my first time in Canada, like watching fireworks. Like it's been like around 2.5 years I've been here in Canada, but I had never been able to go to like see fireworks on July 1st. Like never ever. I saw it in videos, but not like live. So yeah, so I'm pretty excited about it too, because it's my first time. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Yeah, see ya guys. So yeah, so we're at the Riverside, the boardwalk. So you can see people walking around. Like they have their own spot set up right here. Nepali. So yeah, there are Nepali people there. So yeah, you can see people have their own spot set, like fixed. You can see people on the other side of the road on their trunks, sitting beside the trunks. They have their own chairs to watch the spectacular fireworks tonight. So yeah, see, so lots of people around. So that's a lot of people. Like I've never seen this lot of people here in Sault Ste. Marie. But see, yeah. Yeah, like never seen this much of people in Sault Ste. Marie. So guys, yeah, that was it for today. The view was spectacular and it was pretty amazing. My first time seeing the fireworks. It was pretty good watching from so close. It looked like it could fall on.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Okay, it looked like the fireworks could have been in our heads, but yeah, it was pretty amazing. So yeah, you can see the view there, the night view. I'll show you from the back camera. So yeah, you can see the Riverside view. Over there you can see the international bridge right there with the lights on. Looks pretty amazing. You can see people walking by, so they're leaving for their home. And you can of course see the traffic, of course. There are lots of people, so yeah, lots of vehicles. So yeah. But we live nearby, so it's easy on us. So you can just walk by for 5 minutes and we can reach our home. See it. Amazing, it looks amazing in the night with the lights. You can still see the sun over the horizon, like down there on the horizon. So it's setting down still, I guess. Looks like it, but it looks pretty amazing. You can see right there, see the bridge. View right here. So yeah. So guys, yeah, this was it for today. So I wanted to show you guys the fireworks, the events of Canada Day. So yeah, it was pretty amazing, and yeah, I'm very happy to be part of this today after a very long time that I've been in Canada. So yeah, it's pretty amazing, and I'm happy to show you guys as well that I saw today with my eyes, so I could show that to you guys as well. So yeah, keep watching and please like, share, subscribe my channel. So yeah, see you guys with next video. So bye bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Subscribe to his YouTube
Bye,
channel.
guys.